Hey, quick question. Have you ever looked at a chart and felt like, why does this look so different depending on which button I click? Like 1 second, the market looks calm, and then you zoom in and it's pure chaos. Yeah, Dudu knows that feeling. Today, Dudu teaches you everything about time frame selection, what it is, why it matters, and exactly how to use it to make smarter trades. By the end of this video, you will know how to pick the right time frame for your style, how to read the market like a pro, and how to stop making random decisions. Let's go. Okay, so what even is a time frame? Bear with me on this one. Imagine you are trying to understand the weather. If someone shows you 1 hour of weather data, you might think, oh, it is just a little cloudy right now, no big deal. But if you zoom out and look at the whole week, suddenly you realize, oh, wait, there is a giant storm coming. That is exactly what time frames do in trading. A time frame is just how much time each candle on your chart represents. A 1 minute candle shows you what the price did in 1 minute. A 1 hour candle shows you one full hour. A daily candle shows you the whole day. Easy peasy. So when you pick a small time frame, like 1 minute or 5 minutes, you see every tiny little move the market makes. Super detailed, super noisy, sometimes super stressful. When you pick a big time frame, like the 4 hour chart or the daily chart, you see the big picture, the real trend, where the market actually wants to go. Dudu explains it like this. Small time frames are like looking at the ground right under your feet. Big time frames are like climbing a hill and seeing the whole road ahead. You need both to know where you are going. Honey, that's how it works. Now let's look at a real example using gold, also known as XIUSD, because Dudu loves gold. Okay, so imagine you open your 1 minute chart on gold, and you see the price going up and down like crazy. You think, okay, I will buy. But then the price drops and you get stopped out. Ouch. What went wrong? You only looked at the small picture. Now let's do it the right way. First, you open the daily chart. You see gold has been in a strong downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, price going down like a slide. Okay, so the big trend is down. Now you drop to the 4 hour chart. You see the price just bounced up a little, what traders call a pullback, but it is still inside the bigger downtrend. Now you check the 1 hour chart. You see the price is starting to roll back over and showing weakness. That is your signal to look for a sell trade, because all three time frames are telling you the same story. This is called multi-time frame analysis, and Dudu got you on this. It is a total game changer. So how do you actually use this in your trading? Here is the simple Dudu method. First, always start with the big time frame. Use the daily or 4 hour chart to find the main trend. Is the market going up, going down, or just moving sideways? This is your compass. Second, drop down to a medium time frame, like the 1 hour or 30-minute chart, to find a good area to enter. Look for the price pulling back or a key level like support or resistance. Third, use your small time frame, like the 15-minute or 5-minute chart, only to time your entry. This is where you wait for confirmation, like a candle pattern or a breakout, before you click that buy or sell button. Do not skip steps 1 and 2 and jump straight to the small chart. That is the #1 mistake beginners make, and Dudu sees it all the time. Okay, pro tips time. Tip 1. Match your time frame to your lifestyle. If you can only check the market once a day, trade the daily chart. Do not torture yourself with 1 minute charts if you have a job. Tip 2. The higher the time frame, the more powerful the signal. A support level on the daily chart is way stronger than one on the 5-minute chart. Always respect the big levels. Tip 3. When in doubt, zoom out. Seriously, whenever you feel confused or lost, just zoom out to the bigger picture. The trend is your friend, and the bigger chart always tells the truth. So to wrap it all up, time frame selection is about seeing the full story of the market, not just one tiny page. Use big time frames for direction, medium for planning, and small for entry. That is the Dudu method, and it works. If you want more simple trading lessons just like this one, hit that subscribe button right now and join the Dudu Trades family. We are always here to make trading fun and easy for you. See you in the next one.